Hi, my name is Florence. I welcome you on our Panasonic booth at ISE 2023. We are really thrilled to have you on our booth where we show tailor-made solutions for our vertical for collaboration, entertainment, education, production. And what do all these installations have in common is the flexibility to build installation tailor-made for your needs. Here what you can see on this wall are the selection of SDM board. These smart modules fit into our displays and our projectors to create new possibilities for sending AV over IP, to install expansion board, to install wireless sharing presentation, content management and playout softwares, but simply a PC so that you can install any application you'll need. That is a solution which is future-proof, easy to install, very modular, and that's what customers like about Panasonic. We have a very versatile, broad range of products which allows a lot of creativity. Thank you for joining us on our booth. You can, of course, see more information on our website, euconnectpanasonic.com.